please. Ugh. Oh, my. Ugh. Oh, blimey. Arr. My ship is setting on fire. Who did this? Lighty, come over here right now. Help! Help! Someone has burned my ship. What is it, Jake? Did you set my ship on fire? No, I didn't. I didn't set your ship on fire. And who did it? Not me. Don't blame it on me. I never done anything. I never touched your ship. Come on, don't lie to me. Lighty, tell me the truth. I swear, I just told you I didn't set your ship on fire. You know what? I hate you. Just get out of my plague. Get out. Okay. Come on! Someone help me! Help me get rid of this fire! I need water! Arr, arr, arr. This is my great pirate ship. The most magnificent pirate ship that I ever had. And now it's on fire! Arr, arr. Come on, someone! Someone help me! Come on! No! Don't put the water on me! Put it on my ship! Put the water on my ship that is on fire! Do you hear me? Yes, yes, Captain. Yes, Captain. Oh, blimey. Finally. The fire is gone. It just go away. No fire on my famous pirate ship. Arr. Now, as of all of you, do not touch my pirate ship, because this is the most famous ship that I ever had. No one will touch it. It's mine, and no one will not set it on fire. Do you hear me? You blimey pirates! Yes, Captain. Yes, Captain.